Ever walk that tightrope between payday and an empty bank account? Yeah, me too. That feeling when that morning coffee feels less like a pick-me-up and more like a gamble. Will it be enough to get you through the day without that dreaded low balance notification? Let's face it, unexpected bills, car troubles, life. It all has a way of throwing your perfectly planned budget out the window. And while the ideal solution is a fully funded emergency fund, kudos if you've got that, sometimes you need a little help in the short term. That's where apps like Credit Genie come in. But before you hit download, let's break down exactly how Credit Genie works and see if it's the right fit for you. So, how does Credit Genie work? First things first, Credit Genie isn't a bank or a traditional loan service. They offer what they call cash advances. This means you're not borrowing money in the strict sense, but rather accessing a small, upfront amount that you'll need to repay later. Here's the basic flow. Connect your bank account. Credit Genie uses a secure system called Plaid to link to your checking account. This allows them to see your current balance and transaction history to determine if you're eligible for a cash advance. Check your eligibility. Not everyone is guaranteed approval. Credit Genie looks for things like consistent income deposits and a healthy account balance to assess your ability to repay. Request a cash advance. If approved, you can request an amount, typically up to $100. There's a standard delivery option that takes a few days, or an instant delivery for a faster cash boost with an additional fee. Repay your advance. This is where it gets different from a loan. There's no set interest rate, but Credit Genie does charge a recurring monthly or bi-weekly fee to maintain your account connection. The repayment itself is typically scheduled for your next payday, and they'll automatically withdraw the funds from your linked account. Beyond cash advances, budgeting and overdraft alerts. While cash advances are the core offering, Credit Genie throws in a couple of bonus features. Overdraft alerts. This can be a lifesaver. Credit Genie monitors your account balance and sends you notifications when you're at risk of dipping into the negative zone. Spending tracker. Take control of your finances. The app helps you categorize your spending and identify areas where you can tighten the belt. Is Credit Genie right for you? Credit Genie can be a helpful tool for short-term financial bumps in the road, especially with the added features like overdraft alerts. But here are some things to consider before you sign up. Fees. The recurring fee can add up, so make sure you only use cash advances when absolutely necessary. Alternatives. Consider other options like talking to your bank about a temporary overdraft extension or borrowing from a friend or family member. Not a long-term solution. Credit Genie shouldn't be a crutch. If you're constantly relying on cash advances, it might be a sign of a bigger budgeting issue. Credit Genie can be a useful tool, but it's important to use it responsibly. Remember, it's not free money, and those fees can stack up quickly. Make sure you understand the terms completely and explore all your options before taking out a cash advance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.